Oh, good morning. It's Francis here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've partnered with L'Oreal to fix this hair situation. Yeah, let's start off by making our way to the bathroom. Come on, girl. It's not that early. Oh no. So, let's get clean. I'm currently using the L'Oreal Elvive Total Repair 5 shampoo and conditioner. I only wash my hair about once a week, and this duo cleans and repairs my dry and damaged hair at the same time. Now, let's give that a rough dry and brush it out before moving on to my favorite step. I love any leave-in conditioners, honestly, but the Elvive Total Repair 5 Protein Recharge is a leave-in treatment that's been working wonders for my hair. I'll take a small amount and apply it all over while my hair is still damp. My hair has taken a serious beating throughout all the years of bleach and color. This leave-in instantly recharges it, making it stronger and helps protect it against everyday damage, like brushing and heat styling and blow drying, which we'll move on to next. Much better. And just like that, we're all done and ready. Thanks for watching.